Welcome back. Today we'll be reviewing one of Streamlight's latest offerings, which you may or may not have seen from some recent SHOT Show 2025 videos. Their TLR-8 HLX-G rail-mounted flashlight with green laser. Huge thanks to Streamlight for sending this over for review. Like all Streamlight products, this new TLR-8 feels amazing immediately. If there's one recurring theme across all their products, it's quality construction. Also, like several other Streamlights, this model runs on USB-C rechargeable SLB9 battery cell, but it is also capable of running on a more common CR123A. That said, running on the CR123A will decrease the output, but increase the runtime. I'll throw up an ANSI sheet with some of the quick specs. The TLR-8 HLX-G will run you $518 on Amazon Prime when it's available, and as always, there'll be links to purchase in the description below. This light measures in at 2.9 inches in length and weighs in at 3.14 ounces with the included SLB9 battery. On the included cell, you'll be able to achieve 1,000 lumens of output at 22,000 candelas with a beam distance of just shy of 300 meters, all with a runtime of just about 30 minutes. I printed a quick little pick rail mount to compare the TLR-8 HLX-G versus the TLR-7 HLX and the TLR-1 HLX. As you can see, all three of these lights offer an incredible amount of light output with almost a negligible visible difference between the three. This is one of 4 models of their new TLR-8 HLX lineup. There are 2 models intended for full-size and compacts that feature a red or green laser, and 2 subcompact models that also subsequently offer a red or green laser. All of them offer 1,000 lumens output, but the non-sub models come in at 22,000 candela, while the sub models come in at 10,000 candela. Between the 4 different models, there's bound to be one that will fit your particular application. The output specs on the new TLR-8 HLX is the same as the TLR-7 HLX, but with the addition of a laser. The new model has a lower ingress protection rating of an IPX4, and just like other HLX models, this one also comes with a set of high and rear paddles for easy ergonomic ambidextrous operation. While they come with the low paddle pre-installed, Streamlight includes a small multi-tool to aid in swapping the paddles and also other maintenance tasks. Swapping them is rather straightforward, but I'd recommend doing it when it is removed from the rail. The mounting system is also the same across these models, featuring a variety of rail locating keys along with the rail clamp tension bolt. It's pretty simple once you've used a similar light. Basically, you figure out which rail location key you need on the included compatibility sheet, and if it is not the one installed from factory, you will unscrew the rail tension bolt. Be sure to keep an eye out for the spring that'll come out with it. Once you've got the right rail locating key installed, screw the rail tension bolt all the way back in so there's some exposed threads on the other end so that you can install the E-clip for bolt retention. To quickly attach or detach this on your accessory rail, loosen the tension bolt and angle the light so the fixed portion of the clamp is against the accessory rail, and so the rail key aligns with the appropriate groove on the rail. Once aligned, depress the rail key bolt to open the clamp and then rotate the light to place and release the tension bolt. It should almost snap into place, and then you can check for proper tension and fitment. If all looks good, use a coin or the little provided multi-tool to fully tighten the rail clamp tension bolt. I'll include the link to the compatibility sheet for this model, but be sure to check out the documentation on Streamlight's site for any model you're looking to purchase. They do an amazing job of providing all the product documentation one could ask for. The other part of operation is how to switch between operating modes. You could either press both of the rear paddles at the same time or hold one side down and tap the other. This TLR can be used in laser only, or light and laser. Also included in the package is a hex key so you could zero your laser. These lights feature a convenient front-loading design for the battery to allow for changing without having to remove it from your accessory rail. The front-loading feature also has a nice lockout position with a very pronounced click feeling to prevent accidental activation. This light also features Streamlight's 10-tap programming. Starting from off, if you tap the paddle 9 times and hold on the 10th, you'll see the strobe activate and the light turn off. This 10-tap programming allows you to switch between activating the strobe or deactivating the strobe. There is also a low power mode that can be activated in a similar manner, and I'll quote the manual here. To change to the 500 lumens for 1 hour operation mode, press and hold either switch for the duration of this process. Then tap the other switch very rapidly 9 times, within a quarter second per tap, and hold down on the 10th time. Hold both switches until the light dims for about 2 seconds, which indicates reprogramming was successful. Repeat the procedure above to change back to the high lumen operation. When programming is successful after holding the 10th tap, the light will brighten. Currently, this light is only available in the black colorway you see here. This light also features Streamlight's limited lifetime warranty, and I'll have a link to that in the information in the description below. All this brings us back to the ultimate question: would I buy Streamlight's TLR-8 HLX-G again? I would say no. I'd probably end up going with the red laser next time. I'm beyond pleased with the quality of construction, the fitment, the functionality, everything. Pair all that with a strong backing from manufacturer in the form of a warranty and amazing customer support makes this an easy choice. If you have any questions I might be able to help answer, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks again to Streamlight for sending this over for review. Thank you for watching.